Last year, the bulb burned out in my lava lamp. After several months, I was going to replace the bulb and noticed that the paraffin had settled into an odd shape. Here we can see it rotating. There is an array of hexagons and pentagons that form a honeycomb pattern. Stranger yet is that the shape repeats itself, so there is a honeycomb oval within another honeycomb oval within another one, and so forth. Each oval is connected to the next oval by spines that protrude from the vertices of the hexagons and pentagons. The base of the blob is starting to show a hexagon pattern of burst bubbles. I'll show you. Those are here, down at the base. Lastly, there are holes appearing in the spines themselves. Here's a picture that shows in the spine itself the little bubbles I'm talking about. If you have any idea how this has formed, please post a comment. Thank you.